You are welcome to class. Today we are going to see how to multiply surds in bracket and how to rationalize the denominator of a surd. So first, let's see surds in bracket, and we are going to be seeing this with an example. We are asked to simplify the following. So we have our two questions there, A and B. So the normal way of simplification of opening bracket, for the first one we are going to have root 2 times root 2 plus root 2 times root 6. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. Then root 2 times root 6 is root 12. And we discover that root 12 can simplify to 2 root 3. Okay, let's see the second one now. So we are going to use 2 root 3 to multiply 5 root 2 and minus root 3. Also, we will use minus 2 root 3 to multiply 5 root 2 minus root 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. 2 times 15 is 30. Minus 3 root 2 times root 3 is minus 3 root 6. Minus 2 root 3 times 5 root 2 is minus 10 root 6. 2 root 3 times root 3 is 6. 30 plus 6 is 36. Minus 3 root 6 minus 10 root 6 is minus 13 root 6. Okay, I think that is simple enough. So let's proceed now to see what is called conjugate of a binomial surd. So a binomial surd is just a surd that contains two terms. So when the product of two surds give us a rational number, then it means that those surds are conjugate. Now let's see some example of surd and its conjugate. So the conjugate of root a minus b is root a plus b. The conjugate of 2 plus root 3 is 2 minus root 3. So we are only changing the signs. So when we multiply two conjugate together, if you look very well, you see that the conjugate right there is difference of 2 square. So we apply that knowledge there. So those two conjugates simplifies to 1. So let's see the application now properly under rationalization of the denominator of a surd. So when a fraction has a surd as denominator, to simplify that fraction, it is easier for us to rationalize the denominator. Okay, let's see an example now. If we are asked to rationalize the denominator of 12 over root 3. Now, the conjugate of root 3 is still root 3. So it means that we are going to multiply the numerator and the denominator of 12 over root 3 by root 3. So when we say you are to rationalize, you are to multiply the numerator and denominator of that surd by the conjugate of the denominator. Okay, so 12 times root 3 is 12 root 3. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So that simplifies to 4 root 3. Okay, let's see another example now. We are asked to simplify the following by rationalizing the denominators. The first one is 1 over 2 root 3. The second one is 3 minus 2 root 2 over 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, now the conjugate of the denominator is 2 plus root 3. So we are going to multiply numerator and denominator by that. So let's multiply the numerator out. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times root 3 is still root 3. Now if we multiply 2 minus root 3 and 2 plus root 3, we will get 4 minus 3. And 4 minus 3 is 1. Any number divided by 1 is still that number. That's why our answer there is 2 plus root 3. Now the second one, the conjugate of the denominator is 3 minus 2 root 2. So we're going to multiply numerator and denominator by it. So let's see now, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times minus 2 root 2 is minus 6 root 2. Minus 2 root 2 times 3 is minus 6 root 2. Minus 2 root 2 times minus 2 root 2 is plus 8. Now let's multiply the denominators. Remember, apply your difference of 2 squares. So we have 3 raised to power 2 minus 2 root 2 raised to power 2. So let's simplify the numerator now. 9 plus 8, we have our 17. Then minus 6 root 2 minus 6 root 2 is minus 12 root 2. Let's simplify the denominator. We have 9 minus 8. And again, our final answer is 17 minus 12 root 2. Okay. So with that, I believe you can multiply, surds, and also rationalize the denominator of surds. Thank you.